Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November the 10th, 2020, and we're having a very warm fall and very unseasonably warm temperatures. But we're going to be taking our red beets out here. Now we're taking all of the red beets out. So we're going to start pulling these out of this bin here, and I'll show you then what else we're going to be taking out. Now some of these did not grow larger like they were supposed to. You can see what we're getting here so far. I'm shaking the dirt back in here so we can put it back in. So we're going to finish getting this harvested here, and I'll come back and we'll show you what we got. So we'll be back. Okay, so this is what we got out here. We got quite a bit out. Now some of these did not get as large as what we were hoping that they would have. This particular spot where this trough here is sitting gets a different type of sunlight. It doesn't get the sun like the veggie trough out front gets, or the red beet bins that we have out by the garden. So we have had issues before with this veggie trough not always producing like it should. So we're going to be working on that to get it built back up more. So we're going to show you here what else we're going to be getting. So we'll be back. Okay, so this is another bin here, and we're going to start harvesting out of this one. Now this one here is a raised bed, and this one here is over by the regular vegetable garden. So my mom's harvesting these out here. That's a nice one. And we've also noticed that depending on where they grow at, they seem to grow larger or smaller. And then we have this whole bin here to harvest out for the red beets here. And this used to be the potato bin, and didn't do too good for potatoes, so we put red beets and carrots in it. That's a nice one there. It's a really nice one. And it just depends on where they're growing at for how large they grow sometimes from what we've seen. So these are the red beets here that were harvested out of that bin. Now, we did grow a few different varieties this year. Our favorite variety to grow is the Detroit Dark Reds. But we were having trouble finding the seeds for them. So we had grown some different varieties, and then when we did find some of our seeds from the Detroit Dark Reds, they were from a different seed company than what we normally buy. So if your seeds aren't strong and they're weak, it can also result in poor performance of the plants. So my battery's dying here, so I'm going to try and get what I can here. You can see this one here is pretty big. Now these here are like stuck in here. And this was the bin that had the sweet potatoes growing in it, if you've seen the sweet potato harvest video. These things are in here. Trying to get this one here out. Look at that thing. Ah, I got it. And there's more in here to get out. Now you can see there's more over here, and then there's more in here. Get it out real quick. Nice size red beets there. So I switched off cameras here. You can see the big pile of red beets here. Now we're going to cut the tops off, leave about an inch of the stem on the tops, and we're going to get them washed up in the Backyard Expressions wash tub. We're going to get it rinsed out here and put clean water in it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!